Well, it's time for the market update for June's data. Well, the median home price practically remained the same. It had a 0.3% drop, which if you really think about it, it's a fraction of a percentage. So it might as well have just stayed the same. Now, I see that as being normal right now because we just don't have a lot of inventory for that to fluctuate as much as I would like to see. Maybe a decrease significant, but it's not happening. Also, when you look at the graph of the median home price, you will just see it looks pretty much flat the last couple months. It has that little bit of uptick and then it goes down and then it was creeping back up, but it's having a hard time going up any further as of right now. All right. Also, the number of closings, it's pretty much the same as well. If you look at the graph, we're pretty much even with last month, and we're just not where we need to be. And that is because there's just not enough homes for sale. And because of that, we're just not having as many closings. So overall, the number of closings, and this is a nationwide statistic, by the way, it is all over the board that there are less homes closing, but it is also related to inventory crunches, and it just always comes down to supply and demand. Let's talk about the number of listings right now. So in general, we have about 2617 active listings without offers on them. And again, this has remained very flat over the last 6 months or so. We're just not getting those inventory numbers to go up. And that is also has some relation to do with the availability over time. So if you look at the number of months of supply, it's 1.6 months that we have of inventory. That would be every home in case it's sold out. So if we had no new inventory, all those homes would sell out at the rate that we currently have homes available. So overall, not a lot of new information here. Most things are relatively the same. The interest rates are almost pretty much 7%. Excellent credit's not going to be there, but a poor credit score would be. So it's just not changing. We're just kind of in a status quo of the market being what it is right now. And what I'm noticing is that when buyers need to buy, they're still buying because what are they waiting on? You cannot necessarily time the market perfectly. You even if you try to, you may wait. All that valuable time of waiting could be time that you could be paying towards an investment. So it's just not necessarily the best idea to wait on the sidelines. But if you are, that's totally cool. And if you are thinking about making a change and you need to sell your property, well, it's still really record high prices. So most people have a lot of equity in their homes. So if you have any questions about the real estate market, feel free to reach out. Love to help. Have a great day.